Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to download and install the Etsy app application. So how do you download and install the Etsy app application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Play Store app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Play Store app. Next, tap the search menu. In the search menu, type Etsy and search. The Etsy app will appear. Tap the Etsy app. Next, tap the Install button. The download and installation process will be running. Wait for it to complete. The download and installation speed depends on your mobile network. Once completed, you can open it. Here you will see the initial screen of the newly downloaded and installed Etsy app application. So that's it, the tutorial on how to download and install the Etsy application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.